Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. International Yoga Day celebrated across India. Almost 40,000 people participated in yoga asanas with Prime Minister Modi at Rajpath. Rajpath becomes Yogpath. Yoga Day across Goa. Schools, NGOs, private organizations participate. Sports Department says yoga performances henceforth on 19 December, 26 January too. Few minority schools too celebrate International Yoga Day on Sunday with enthusiasm. Jadid Urdu School in Chimbel, Mater Dei in Saligaon lead the way. Entry checkpost and staff at Goa borders neglected, face basic facility crunch, no toilets, electricity, telephone or proper shade. Prudent inspection exposes it all. And Al-Qaeda may target Israelis in India. Intelligence agency issue alert for Goa, Delhi, Maharashtra and Himachal. Israel's embassy in India directed to enhance security. Now the news in detail. First International Yoga Day was celebrated in the country. Thousands of people joined Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday morning at Rajpath, which turned into Yogpath. All the states of India participated in Yoga Day. United Nations had declared June 21st as International Yoga Day, with 177 countries voting in favor. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has proposed it last year. Have a look at International Yoga Day.
शांति, सद्भावना, इस ऊंचाइयों को प्राप्त करने के लिए मानव मन को ट्रेनिंग करने के लिए एक नए युग का आरंभ हो रहा है। मैं आज यूनो का आभार व्यक्त करता हूं, दुनिया के 193 कंट्रीज का आभार व्यक्त करता हूं कि जिन्होंने सर्वसम्मति से इस प्रकार के प्रस्ताव को पारित किया, और मैं उन 177 कंट्रीज का आभार व्यक्त करता हूं कि जिन्होंने बन करके योग के महात्म्य को स्वीकारा।
27 सितंबर 2014 को संयुक्त राष्ट्र महासभा को संबोधित करते हुए भारत के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी ने विश्व समुदाय से अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस मनाने का आह्वान किया था। 11 दिसंबर 2014 को संयुक्त राष्ट्र महासभा ने 177 देशों के प्रस्ताव पर 21 जून को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस मनाने का संकल्प सर्वसम्मति से अनुमोदित कर दिया। सिर्फ 75 दिनों के अंदर 177 देशों का समर्थन प्राप्त करना एक कीर्तिमान है। हम सब के लिए यह उत्साह एवं गर्व का विषय है।
Goa too celebrated International Yoga Day on Sunday. Students, NGOs and people working for private organizations celebrated Yoga Day. Students of primary, secondary and higher secondary were seen practicing yoga early in the day. Different asanas rejuvenating the body were practiced on the day. Youth Affairs Department has decided to organize Yoga Day on 19 December and 26 January for students in Goa. Have a look.
So योगा अच्छे दिन आ गए हैं. प्रचंड मोठ्या प्रमाणात आता योगा जातले किंवा येणाऱ्या 26 जानेवारी 19 डिसेंबर किंवा 26 जानेवारी आज जे तुम्ही पळयले ताचे एक 100-200 प्रमाणात मोठे असे डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन डिस्प्ले आम्ही सेंट्रल स्टेजीचेर म्हळ्यार हांगा परेड ग्राउंडाचेर दवरले.
ज्या पद्धतीचो हांव जी पुजा अर्चा करता घरांत किंवा देवाक भजता ताचो आनी योगाचो संबंध कितें आसा असो आमकां प्रश्न पडूं शकता पण बाकीच्या लोकांक हांव कळना आज आमच्या देशांत अशा पद्धतीचे काही लोक असतात की तांकां प्रत्येक गोष्टीन धर्माचें राजकारण दिसता पद्धतीचो एक विचार आमच्या देशांत चालू आसा 83 देश उबे रावन म्हणपाक लागले की योग दिवस हो आंतरराष्ट्रीय स्तराचेर मनोवपाची गरज आसा
आता योगाशिवाय पर्याय ना आणि भारत जर पहिले जगद्गुरु जर आशिल्लो आणि आता जर फाटी आसा आता परत भारताक जगद्गुरु करपाक कोणूच रोखपाक शकना हें सिद्ध जाता.
Amidst controversies on the International Yoga Day, few Catholic and Muslim schools too celebrated Yoga Day on Sunday. Jadid Urdu High School in Chimbel, Materdi School of Catholics in Saligaon celebrated the Yoga Day. Not just students but teachers and the management of the schools participated with great enthusiasm. Despite Ramzan fasting, Sunday Mass and heavy rain, students still came out in large numbers to witness and participate in the first International Yoga Day.
Despite of heavy rain across Goa, students came out in a good number to celebrate first International Yoga Day on Sunday. Schools performed their daily prayers followed by yoga. In spite of Ramzan month and fasting, students performed yoga with their teachers with zest. School management appreciated the teachers and students for their support. This particular school is Jadid Urdu High School in Chimbel.
They are telling today is the Sunday, the public holiday, but beside the Sunday, I prefer this is our Ramzan. Ramzan is going on, fasting is going on, or all the students that they are fasting today, all the teachers are fasting today. In spite of that, all the teachers and students have attended this program because this is a national program and we observe this definitely.
They are very good, like some students are absent today, but I appreciate those who are coming because though it is on Sunday and they are all are fasting I think, but still they came, so I am very much thankful to them and even our school committee.
Interest in yoga pulled out few Catholic brethren also. John Pereira, teacher in Jadid Urdu School, said he attended half mass early morning and rushed for the yoga session.
I left the half mass and I attended over here because since yoga, international yoga means yoga day means I said full come over here and celebrate, be among with all the students and the teachers.
Teachers and principal believe that yoga has nothing to do with religion. Yoga helps to control mind and body.
योगा से क्या है माइंड कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं और हमारे जिस्मानी जो वृत्ति है उसे कायम रख सकते हैं और योगा से हमारे कई बीमारियां दूर होते हैं.
When yoga is done, it controls your mind. So what I think is through this yoga, one can control your body and that violence is also controlled.
Look at the asanas being performed. Few Catholic schools too celebrated Yoga Day on Sunday in Goa. Matade Institute at Saligaon is one of them.
Yoga has been practiced for over 6,000 years in our country, and now it has spread globally. You find people all over the world practicing yoga. Now, why is that so? Irrespective of religion, people are taking to yoga, and that is because it calms the mind, it exercises and relaxes the body.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent.
Time for a short break. Stay tuned.